Are you ready to get your summer glow on? I am going to teach you how you can do that DIY style. If you don't know me already, I'm Tracy Gold. I'm a personal stylist, YouTube fashion influencer, and a QVC fashion presenter. And during this time, I have gotten really inventive on all things beauty, DIY style. So I'm super excited to share my discoveries with you. So wow and yay, it's summertime. And yay, even more yay, we can actually leave our homes. But the things that we used to do to get ready to show a little bit of extra skin, we can't do right now. So either you can stay home and restrict your summer fun, or you can come along with me and I will teach you how to shed that lockdown skin and get ready to show it off and feel beautiful. And my methods are gonna save you a fortune. I am hosting a fun and interactive workshop where I'm going to teach you body care tips that are going to have your skin glowing, how to do self-tan at home without going orange, unlike somebody we know, and no makeup look that isn't going to disappear when you take off your mask, how to do a manicure and pedicure that actually lasts, and I'm going to be sharing my award-winning top products that are going to help you do the job. Plus, they are all cruelty-free. I look forward to seeing you at the workshop. All you have to do is just to register. So to do so, just click on the link in the description below or in my bio, and I'll see you there. And by the way, get ready to glow.